Here is a Windsor C-14 box fan that I got from the Family Man. This was a Christmas gift I got. Well, it's a little late now since it's 2017. I think it's the 12th of January. I think it's I'm trying to think of what year it could be. I want to say maybe 68, 69 maybe. Try to find a date. I can't see what date. Oh, it's got a G motor, obviously. That's what a lot of these used. I don't think they used Fastcos till the Kmart's around. But anyway, yeah, C-14. This runs a hell of a lot better than my Kmart rattles and shit. I think it just needs some minor adjustments. Anywho, let's turn on low. And it has a really cool startup sound too. It's a lot quieter and more calm. I should be getting a C-122 Windsor this style here in probably about 2 weeks. Getting that from Bo Mitchell. And it's got a pivoting stand too, so I can put a pivoting stand on this from my S-14 Xbox fan in terracotta. But I really don't like using stands because it gets in the way. I'm gonna go with medium. Trying to get out of the wind so it's not distorting out in the camera or in the mic. And yes, we still have the tree up, and it's a couple weeks after Christmas. Whatever. It's got 1.5 missing slats on the front. Well, I wonder what's on the back. Okay, it's got 3 of them gone. This thing's in really nice condition. Nice and clean. It's got a couple of nicks. And a typical paint scrape. And a little high. God damn it. One way to shut this phone off. Damn fucking telemarketers. You're gonna manage to get back here in the spin down. Oh, yeah. Let's check out, see if it's got any rust. Well, it's got, I got some dirt in there, so I can't see it. I think it's just dirt. Oh, nope, I see some surface rust. Ooh, it's got motor smell. It's got some web right there. And the sticker's there too. Not bad. I've seen worse. Oh, it's got 1 foot missing. It's got a screw missing on the back grill. I'm not all too worried about it. But yeah, this is one of 9 fans, hopefully 9, that I'll be filming. So, yeah, and until next time.